the stage 15 years, me and him. I don't know if this ever happened in football. The same two guys in the same stage all the time. So it's not easy.
யாரு ஹீரோ
கேக்குறாங்கல்ல, சொல்லுங்க ஜி, யாரு ஹீரோ?